today is December 14th. It is the same day that you saw yesterday in that Get Ready With Me chit chat vlog, or not vlog, video. I talked too much, and so I needed to separate it. Oh my goodness, separate it. So if you want to check out that video, I'll put the link right there for you. I also been trying to link the Moving Chronicles videos down in the description bar below. I've been listing them by vlog 1, vlog 2, vlog 3, and the intro is also in the description. And I also have a playlist going on for these Moving Chronicles. For those of you who are new, welcome. I have a couple of new subscribers. Welcome. I am moving. We got noticed November 1st that we had to move. And we have until actually March 1st. And I do explain it in the intro video, what happened. So if you want to check that out. And like I said, I don't know where we're going. I don't know, right? As of today, I have no idea. But anyways, we're going to continue on here now. So this is the look that I came up with. I'm not going anywhere really today. I'm not. Might go to Hobby Lobby today to pick up some ornaments if they have any left. I don't know. But tomorrow at church, they are having a tree decorating event. And per family, you can take 2 ornaments to put on the tree. And I thought it would be nice if my kids wanted to do that. They're a little older, so I'm not sure. And if they don't, it's okay. It's okay. But I'm gonna bring it up to them and see if they want to go to Hobby Lobby, or I'm gonna bring it up to them to see if they want to go tomorrow to the church. And if they do, then we'll go to Hobby Lobby. Okay. All right. So for right now, I don't think I have a lot of time. I have to pick up my little guy here in about 25 minutes. He gets off early today. But I do want to show you one thing I definitely want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you around. So what I want to do is I want to remove this shelving right here. This is from IKEA, but I got it at a Salvation Army, and oh my gosh, how much did I pay? $7, I think. $7, I think. But I want to remove it and wrap it up, and I'm going to show you why I want to wrap it up in a blanket. But in there, I have my makeup. I have palettes here and then palettes in that one. That's what's in here. So even though I'm not necessarily ready to bag this up or box it, because I want to go through some of the palettes, maybe I'll get rid of some. I'm not sure when we get to that video where we go through all my makeup palettes. Excuse me. We'll go through some. I don't think I'm getting rid of anything. I can probably tell you right now. Anyway, I'm not ready to box it. So I'm just going to have it sitting here, but I do want to get rid of this right here. The other thing I want to do hopefully today is I want to finish wrapping the gifts that I have today. They're in that box right there. The kids don't know. You saw I did a wrapping video, but I do have a little bit more. We hid it in there. The kids think it's like packing stuff. So easy to hide the stuff this year. Got it. It's in here. Okay, baby. My oldest is going to take it. So he's going to take it. Melly. Thank you, babes. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. So, look at that. No bueno. These are samples. Okay. I'm going to go through these and see what that is all about. Oh. So I'm going to dust that off. I dusted the cabinet, so I'm going to dust that off. But these are my palettes here and here that were in there. And then I had this brand new NYX. And then these. I have a feeling I know which ones I'm going to get rid of so far. At the top of my head, I can kind of tell which ones I'm going to get rid of. And it's a lot of my Wet n Wild palettes that are opened. I have some sealed, but I have a lot of Wet n Wild that are open. And then I have like these that I depotted. I think that's how you say it. And I put it in this Ulta case. It's magnetic. I think things like that I'm going to do away with, just because obviously I don't pick them up. I don't pull them. And they're one of my absolute oldest. So, I mean, you guys remember the Wet n Wild palettes, the 3, like the ones that came in the 3. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Shadows, I tell you, shadows are one of those things that is very difficult for me to let loose and let go. I did go through my shadows about a little over a year, I think it's been. I did go through some and I did throw away some. But yeah, I'm going to need to do it again. Okay. So for now, I'm just going to dust all my makeup table. I'm going to dust all this up. And again, I'm not going to do any packing with my makeup shadows. We're going to do that in a whole separate video by itself. I'm going to leave right now to go pick up my little guy. I kind of want to leave early because it's raining, and I know a lot of moms and dads are going to have the same idea. And the kids who typically walk will not be walking. So I want to kind of get there early to get my spot, basically is what I'm saying. I wanted to show you, I have my boots on. I didn't think these were going to fit, like to zip it. First of all, these are 7.5. I'm not a 7.5. Well, depends on the shoe, depends on my inflammation, and depends on my weight. It's 2 o'clock. I'm hungry. So I'm going to have some bacon and eggs. It's, you know, not in the mood for anything else that's in there that's left over. Okay, so you guys, I hope you guys saw a good view of those clouds. They were moving so fast, but I don't know if the camera actually captured that. I haven't edited that, so hopefully you're seeing it. It's really nice. The clouds were moving pretty darn fast. They were just swooping on by. That it went from being dark, you know, cloudy, to the sun coming through like within a matter of minutes. Crazy. Okay. Cooking up my bacon, and then I'm going to have some eggs. My oldest is so excited. He's like so excited. He ordered maybe some of you may know, a Tomei muffler, and it came in for his car. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you, I'm having 3 eggs, and then I'm going to have some bacon and sit down, and hopefully I can get to wrapping before I go pick up my daughter. Okay, I am up. What time is it? I'm upstairs is what I'm saying. I've been caught downstairs. 3:30. I've already picked up my daughter, and it's downpouring again, which is, I am super shocked. All right, kids, they do not want to go tomorrow and put an ornament on the tree, which is fine. I didn't think they would. I just thought maybe they would like it, but no, they don't, which is fine, and you know, that's okay. So I have all this here, all this Amazon stuff. That is my son Aaron's gifts, and some of it's his daughters and stuff, and I'll show you what he got her, and then some is he bought for his siblings. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that up for him, because like he's just in the zone right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these boots off, because I'm not going anywhere. Wrap. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you. Some nails that I plan to put on for Christmas. Now, I had some red ones, like some press-on nails. I had red with like the gold glitter, but my daughter snatched those up, which is fine. I don't know if I shown these in a haul, but I just kind of want to show you. I like these. Look at those. But maybe New Year's for those. They're like a tan with champagne glitter, kind of. I like those. And then when I was going through my nail stuff, I had these like green, but I can always pull from other nails sets that I have like a either gold or silver accent one. Look at those. And these are stuff that I've had. Like this one is stuff that I've had, like, you know. Anyways, and then I bought these recently at Marshall's. Now, they gave me a discount because of this is how it came. But the lady actually did count the nails to make sure all the nails are there. She did, but it didn't come with the glue. But look at these. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Look at those. Look at those, guys. Ah, Look at that one. Look, wait, let me see if I go this way. Look at that one right there. That first one by my thumb on top. Look at those. Yes. So I'm thinking I'm going to do this for Christmas and just try to keep them up on until until New Year's. I just wanted to show you that. And this is another thing. I don't know if I've ever shown these, and I recently bought these. I might have. I'm not sure. I'm so behind with the editing. But these magnetic lashes. This will be the first time me trying out magnetic lashes, and these were on clearance for $9.50. So yeah, my first time using magnetic false lashes. Yeah. Anyways, I wanted to show you that. Okay. Now I'm going to get going. Okay, guys. It's 4:30, and I have my blazer on still because it's cold. The heater just kicked in, so. And I was laying down. I had to lay down for a little bit. I was like, no, just lay down. But so I'm just now starting to wrap. But I wanted to show you what my son got his daughter. Aren't these adorable? These are so cute. So cute. Light razor adapt. So cute. And then he got her this little jogger suit. Or, yeah, little suit. I think he got it in 24 months. My son is nearly 6'3", and my granddaughter's mom, I don't know, 5'9". She's tall. So my grandbaby, she's tall. She is. She's gonna be tall. Anyways, I wanted to show you that. But yeah, so cute. I don't know if I have enough boxes. I might. Okay. So I got a lot. I want to try to get as much as I can in an hour. Okay. Really, really quickly. Remember, I think I told you either in this video or in the chit chat video, the get ready with me. I think, sorry, that my Ulta order wasn't going to get here until Thursday. It came today. So I got my sharp. I always do that. My Tarte Shape Tape concealer. The best. And finally, the IT Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. The best. So I got that. Okay, but I also wanted to show you. Now, because we did 2 separate orders. Yeah, I just placed another order that came in as well, and that was for my daughter. We got 2 of these for free. You know, they give this free gift with purchase. Now, I wanted the robe for my daughter, but they didn't have it. They ran out of the robe, but that's okay. Remember my son's Aiden's girlfriend? I bought the pajamas, the kitty cat pajamas with the socks. And then I think I told you guys that I had some Bath and Body Works shower gels and sprays. I think I'm going to do a part 2 for her and put one of these in there with that. I think she is going to love it. Anyways, I'll show you how much I've done. Just this right here. Right here. All right, guys. I have a little bit of energy still for a little bit more. 7:23. I'm hoping to end in an hour and see what we get done. And once again, I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording and I was yapping it up. Anyway, it is 9:12 and I finished around 8:50, and I went to go take my makeup off and I'm like, no, jump in the shower. I took a shower this morning, but I was just get in there, get a nice warm shower. I just felt like I needed that. I was so tired. Anyways, yeah, it's 9:12. I'm going to show you the gifts. They haven't taken them down yet. First of all, I want to show you my desk. I don't think that I showed you this morning or this afternoon when maybe I did, but let me just show you anyway. Okay, so I took off, remember that shelf that was here? I took that off. I don't know if I showed you my makeup table. I think I did show you the mess, like it was messy, but this is how it looks right now when I cleaned it up and everything else. I'm thinking that I'm going to be working on shadows really, really quickly because I kind of don't like this. And yeah, so we're going to get into some shadows here very, 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 very soon. I want to say tomorrow, but you know how that goes with me. Okay. Over here, I have some open boxes. I'm just waiting on my husband to come upstairs because I didn't want to close those off. Those where I keep the presents. But I think the kids figured it out because they came in my room a couple times. Those are the gifts there. Those are them. And of course, some of those, like I said, are my sons from the kids to his daughter, to his siblings and stuff like that. I have a feeling they're going to knock on my door here. So that's that. They're going to probably come in here to take them downstairs. That's it for tonight. I'm just going to, yeah, I'm done. I'm so done. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll continue this. We'll see what we get into tomorrow. I think it was a successful day. And they're here. Okay. Good night, guys. Bye.